What's going on, guys? How are you? How are you doing? This is Shocks, and this is ShocksCapital FX YouTube channel. Welcome back. It's good to have you back. And if you are new to this channel, don't worry, you are in the right place. And today we want to talk about the simplest break and retest strategy that you ever find. So, guys, sit back and relax and follow as I explain my simplest break and retest strategy. So I'm going to start on the US30, the H4, then go to the H1, and we are just going to be looking at it from all time frames to understand what we're talking about. So number one, remember, when you're talking about a break and retest, you can't talk about break and retest without a full understanding of what of market structure. So we start with market structure. What is market structure? Market structure is a model or a schematic that we use to help us in predicting the direction, in predicting where price is going. So as you can see from this chart that is on your screens at the moment, you can clearly see that from this point up to this point we were in an uptrend. As you can see, we're in an uptrend, right? No arguments about that. But as price was going up, you can see that there was something happening. So I just want to get your attention to all the highs, in this picture. So there's this high, right? There's this high, then from that high we go to this high. We want to mark every high so that you guys can clearly grasp what I am trying to teach in this video, right? Just want you guys to see. Right, this is a simple break and retest strategy that can be used by a beginner, an advanced trader. Anyone can use this type of strategy. So let's zoom in a bit. Right, I want you to see something. This is a high, right? This is a high that price took. This high, right? This particular high. This is the break of the high, then the retest. But this retest was it was deep, right? This is not the kind of retest that we are looking for. So in short, I'm looking for something that looks like this. If we have a high like this, I would like to have a retest that looks something like this. So this is the break, right? The break of this high. I'd like a retest to this particular line and a buy at this particular point. So when I'm talking about a break and retest, I'm talking about a retest and a break of this particular zone that we are looking at. So if you're looking at this, I would want price to retest at this particular zone and go up, like what we see at this particular point. You see, this is a high, right? It was taken out by this move, then price came back, retested it with this pin. So this is what we are looking for, and this is how we want to be trading this particular strategy. And as you can see, this is the high, this is the break and the retest. This is what you're looking for, right? And let's also consider this one, this high, break, retest. This is what we want. Break of this, and we didn't have a retest at this particular point, and this particular point we had a break and a retest in this zone. Then when we were going down, let's just get rid of all the drawings here and start from this point, right? So this was supposed to be our first low break, our first break, right? This is our first break, and as you can see, price didn't retest at this particular point. Then we had this low being taken out again, and this low was retested at this particular point, right? So this is the break and this is the retest. So you just go to the lows, right? Just go to the low and wait for price to come back to that particular low. If it doesn't come back, no problem. You look for more opportunities, right? You see, this is the break we're talking about. This is the low, and this is the candle that took out the low. this is the retest. This is the move that we are looking for. You understand? So this is what we are doing, and this is how we are looking at our trade. So you have to avoid breaks that looks like this. We want a very clear one, a very clear break. Let's go to H1 and see if we have more opportunities on the H1. So from the H1, you can clearly see that we had some opportunities that we did take advantage from the what, from the higher time frame, and some which we didn't, like this. This is a break, right, and the retest, right? So this is a very simple strategy that you can use anyway, right? So this is a break, and this is the what, this is the retest, right? This is what you are doing, and this is how you are looking at this, and this is how you must be trading this particular strategy. Let's go to another pair and see how price is behaving when we plug in this strategy. So number one, remember, break and retest. What are you looking for? You're looking for a break of a low and a retest of that particular low. So this is what is happening here. This is what happened at this particular point. Break of a high and a retest. This is what you are looking for. So this is Euro USD H4, and guys, you can be making a lot of money trading only this. You don't have to look at a lot of things. Just fix your attention on the highs and the lows of a particular pair. When it breaks, just look for the what, for the retest. This is the low, this is the break, this is the retest. If it doesn't retest, no problem. But I assure you, out of 10 trades, you are going to get at least 5 good retests. And if you get 5 good retests with a risk to reward ratio of 1 and 2 minimum, if you are a trader, or if you have been trading for a long time, you know that's money, right? Break, retest, your goal. This is what you are doing, and this is how you will be trading if you choose to use this strategy in your trading. So this is break, this is the retest. You need the break here, the retest, right? So you then mark again this one, break and what, and retest. And price didn't actually retest that particular point, but you mark every low, and when it retests, that's you see, this is what is happening at this particular point. Break, retest, break, retest, break, retest. Then you go to USDJPY. Go to USDJPY. What is happening on USDJPY? Let's go to H1 so that we have an exploded view of our pair. So let's get rid of everything here. Right, let's start here. What do you see? You see this anchor, right? Price starting to go up. This is the first break, right? And this is the first retest. Easy as that. And price didn't continue going up here, so we wait for another break of a high. So the easiest is to mark every high that price would have formed. Mark and look and see what is happening at that particular high. Look, break, retest, break, retest, break, retest. This is the easiest and the oldest strategy in the game, and you might just use it and make a lot of money while doing it. So very, very accurate and very trusted. So this is USDJPY. You can go to another pair, and by just merely looking at it, you can just see that we have we need the break, retest. We have break, retest. Do you see that? Break, retest, right? We have break, retest. If you look, break, we have number one, we have the low, we have the break and the retest. This is just what we are looking for. We have high, break, retest, high, break, retest. So you don't have to put any order blocks in this strategy or in this formula. You just have to look for what, break and retest, break and retest. Let's go to some GBP pairs and see. So this is just messy, so you just have to avoid pairs that look like that. Let's go to H1 and see if we have something that we could have taken advantage of. This is not good. The price section on this one is not good, but you can see that we had some very good examples: break, retest, break retest here, and here we just have a break retest that is going through. So go to Nasdaq, and what do you see on Nasdaq? We have the break and the retest here. Break, retest, break, retest, the oldest strategy, and this is something that you can use, very easy, beginner friendly, and doesn't demand a lot of patience from you. You can use this and you can make money. So this is what we are doing, and this is how you guys should make money. So you can try this strategy during this particular week with AAA FX and see how you fare. And if you're making money, continue. And guys, let me know what you think about this particular strategy. So before you go, let me just show you something here on GBPCAD. This is the break and this is the retest, right? So this is what you are looking for, and this is another break, and this is the retest. This is what you are looking for on every pair that you're looking at. This is the break and this is the retest, right? This is what we are doing, and this is how we are looking at these things. This is another break and retest, break, retest. You understand? So this is what you are doing, guys. I hope you understood, or you get what I am trying to say, and you understand this strategy. From now on, just go and practice on your charts. Mark out charts, mark out a lot of charts, so that you understand and you can see this without drawing end lines. What we are doing, guys. I'm Shocks, and I'm out. Trade what you see.